Well, I am ninja, he's ninja, she is ninja too. I am ninja, we are ninja, and I believe that you are ninja too.
Sylvia asks a ninja! How do ninjas feel about Dance Dance Revolution, Karaoke Revolution, and the French Revolution? Revolution in general is great. Dance Dance Revolution? Too slow. Really, it's just a big yawner. 4 pads on one surface? Really? How is that really gonna prepare you for the dance floor of life? How about Death Revolution? That is a challenge. You're inside a box. I'm talking about 6 sides. You have to jump into kill positions based on whatever foe or foes appear on any side of the wall, and if you don't hit the right pose perfectly exactly, the whole thing fills up with piranhas that are swimming in blended up sumo wrestlers. That's tough to get out of. Now, Karaoke Revolution, I think we all know what's wrong with this. Softcore, borioke, lameoke, I really don't karaoke. Points? That's it? That's the punishment for singing badly with points? When in history has that been the punishment? I mean, even the American Idol is worse than a point system. I mean, that's public humiliation. How about upping the stakes, like maybe if you sing the wrong note, a bunch of poison darts shoot out of the microphone into your face. You'd be like, oh, gee, I guess that wasn't a B flat, thud. That's what I call karaoke. You know, and also in karaoke, if you're trying to like do new lyrics because you're trying to make Sally shoot root beer out of her nose or something like that because you think you're some hilarious remix of James Blunt's song, you better come up with something better than your booty's full of poo. Because if you try and throw that joke, you're gonna find yourself with more poison in your face than a private concert in Bret Michaels' basement. The French Revolution, now that was a revolution. Classic comedy. People who think the French have no sense of humor have never seen someone guillotine. It's just a good time. It's that type of laughing where you're crying. It's just so funny. When people get their heads chopped off, they still think they're alive. There was one guy during the French Revolution who asked his wife to count how many times he could blink after he had his head chopped off. But here's the kicker. He had Robespierre eats cake written on his eyes. Oh man, you could only see it if you're up close because that's a lot to fit on an eyelid. But the people in the front row, they were howling because he's just like blinking away. And every time he blinked, it was funnier than the last time. The one thing the French Revolution didn't have was a good outfit. Kind of frilly. Didn't really say, revolution with lace. Except for the boobies. I like the boobs pushed up. That seemed to be popular during the French Revolution. I think it was a distraction method. You know, like the guards would be like, whoa, look at the boobs on her. And they don't see that she's holding up a big stale piece of French bread. Thanks for your question, Sylvia! I look forward to killing you soon! Blended up sumo wrestler is very thick. It's thicker than regular wrestler. A very bloody version of chocolate mousse. It's hard just to get through the whole thing. It's like Dances with Wolves. 3 little letters separate buy and die. Ninja Mart Store!